Now, in this question, AB is parallel to ED. Moreover, the ratio of the length is 5 to 7, so I can let them be 5x and 7x. And the ratio of BC to CD is 2 to 3. Let them be 2y and 3y respectively. The area of this triangle has been given as 63 cm square. You are required to find the area of ABCF. Now, why this question is difficult to you is because, in of course, a pair of parallel lines like this can be found in many past paper questions, but usually they are joined by two straight lines like this, so that you can have a pair of similar triangles to talk about, right? However, in the current situation, the parallel lines are only joined by one straight line AD, so that's why you cannot have a pair of um, similar triangle to talk about at the beginning. So if you understand this point, then it is important for you to add one more parallel line by yourself. For example, let me call this point P. Suppose I add CP so that it is parallel to DE. Now by then, among these two parallel lines, you can see that they are joined by a pair of straight lines, so that you can now have a pair of similar triangle to talk about directly. Okay, this is the key idea of this question. Moreover, actually, apart from the pair of similar triangle that I just mentioned, there are another pair. I wonder if you can see that triangle ABD should be similar to triangle PCD as well. Now, if yes, now by then you can think about the length of the corresponding side BD and CD. Now, BD to the ratio to the length of CD should be equal to 5 to 3 if you look at the length of the base. So by then, the corresponding side AB to PC should also be equal to 5 to 3. But because the length of AB is 5x, then that means the length of PC should be 3x. Okay, now and then back to the pair of similar triangle I have mentioned. Now, next triangle, don't forget that CPF should be similar to triangle EDF, as I have mentioned at the beginning. And because now you already find a pair of corresponding sides, 3x and 7x, the ratio is 3 to 7. So that means if you talk about some other corresponding side, their length is also 3 to 7. So suppose I call this one 3a, this one is 7a. So you can now use the ratio of this pair of sides to talk about the area of CPF. Now, let me write it down. Area of triangle CPF over 63 should be equal to 3 to 7, because these two triangles have a common side CF, and their bases 3a and 7a are in a straight line. So therefore, I think you can now calculate the area of triangle CPF, which should be 27. And next, after you find that this part is 27 cm square, now then I think the remaining part can be found quite easily by once again using this pair of similar triangle. So let me continue here. The area of the big triangle ABD over 63 plus 27 should be equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding side 5 to 3. Remember how we get 5 to 3? And therefore, the area of the big triangle ABD should be equal to 250 cm square. And in case you already forget what is being asked, we are asking for the area of ABCF. So of course, it is the entire triangle ABD subtracted by the given side 63 cm square. So let me complete the question here. So therefore, area of ABCF should be 250 subtracted by, oh sorry, I forget, subtracted by 63 cm square. So by then you will have 187 cm square as your final answer. So the answer should be B.